Hi, my name is Chandler Vernon,
And I am Michael Clear.
and this is Cedar Hill Money Talks. Why financial literacy? Did you know that a report on the results of a financial literacy exam found that high school seniors scored on average 48% correct, showing a strong need for more comprehensive financial education for youth in high school? According to a 2017 survey conducted by the 74, a nonprofit news organization that covers America's public school publications, only about half of the students in America think their studies in school are relevant. In 2019 New York Times article entitled "What Students Are Saying About How to Improve American Schools," some students admonish schools for not teaching students the information that they will need in a real world. In this article, one student stated, "The most I've gotten out of school so far was my civics and economics class, which hardly even touched what I'd actually need to know for the real world. I barely understand credit, and they expect me to perfectly fine living alone a year from now."
So to work even more and understand what our community needed when we did our community engagement, we relied on some community interviews. We spoke directly to many students and community stakeholders, and there were a lot of issues that our community faced, but many did identify a lack of financial awareness as a significant problem within the community. Students at our school also frequently state that they rarely learn anything in school that they feel will help better prepare them from life. As a history teacher, I heard that a lot. And then, of course, just anecdotal evidence from hearing students talk. And then to decide which financial literacy topics we would address, we put flyers up for students to answer a survey about various financial literacy topics and received over 300 responses, which helped us narrow our focus. And the images displayed kind of show some of the results of our surveys. This one, the survey that I'm kind of circling on right now, it was about students who were interested in learning about taxes. And then we had students who were interested in learning about credit, and then one about how interested are you in learning about financial literacy in general.
Okay, our mission. Our mission is that Money Talks engages teens in fun, interactive workshops and an annual festival so they can build real-world financial literacy skills. Our vision is generating an equipped and capable community confidently managing their finances.
Our approach is direct education from trained professionals during school hours. One of our main concerns was that if we held it after school, that we wouldn't get a lot of participation, but holding it during school seems to be a pretty good way for students who are interested. Chandler reads the announcements and provides a financial literacy tip of the week for the students. And then at the end of the year, we plan on holding a Money Talks Financial Literacy Festival and Small Business Showcase, where local young business owners can come display their businesses and also get some information about how to grow their businesses and other financial literacy topics. And these are just examples of the flyers that we place up around the school and in selected classrooms, so students can sign up and pick which topics they are most interested in and attend our Money Talks.
Okay, our sponsors. PNC Bank is our largest and most notable sponsor. They are offering most of our Money Talk sessions. They're bringing out their mobile bank for students to learn from, and they're overall just really helping us better work out our community change project. We're reaching out to the local restaurants so they can help us get food for our April 1st event, and we're also reaching out to the University of North Texas in their financial readiness team so they can provide a couple of financial workshops for us as well. We are also working with Credit Union of Texas to try our best to see if they're able to provide food as well, because they have a food truck. And we're also trying to work with them to see if they can also provide financial literacy for our students.
Our topics for the year that we've selected so far are credit, and we've already held a session on credit, and we'll hold some more for students who weren't able to attend that. Budgeting, banking, loans, savings, and time and financial management. These topics were selected based on our survey results.
Our challenges. This year we've had a few challenges that have really pushed us to do better and really understand what we're doing. So securing a fiscal sponsor was one of ours. Our school district was kind of hard and difficult. They had difficult processes for us when we needed to get our money. And so we decided to go another route. And then teaching during the school day, we tried our best to find a way that we could teach do our workshops during the day so we didn't disrupt the school day. And then ICE stays in coordinating with different schedules. So last week we had ICE all over Dallas, Texas, and we were completely unable to do anything. So we had multiple events scheduled for that Friday. And so we've been having to reschedule and find the best days for everyone to be able to um, do that event. And then securing a team, we're still working on that challenge. What we're struggling with right now is finding out what exactly we need and what we need in team members, finding someone that fits what we need, finding people interested and willing to help, finding younger team members, and then finding one more team members that is able to do marketing communications for us. And holding our first event helped us get a lot of potential teammates. So our team right now consists of Mr. Clear, who is my educated scholar, and then Anthony Garza. He is our graphic design. Eden Harlan is communications and small business outreach. Lisa Hanna is our advisor and campus contact because Mr. Clear is not on campus right now. And then me, Chandler Vernon.
And these are pictures from our very first event, which was a Credit 101. Our fiscal sponsor actually came and did this particular first money talk. And he was a really, really great speaker. And the students were really, really engaged. And they got a lot out of that particular presentation. And the adults who were present got a lot out of that presentation as well. We got really, really good feedback on our surveys. We asked some questions just to see if students learned what they were supposed to learn. He sent us the presentation in advance and we were able to tailor a survey based on what he would teach. And 68% of the people also indicated that they would be willing to help us in our upcoming events. And so that really is going to help us build our team, just having these actual money talks.
For our upcoming events, we will have our rescheduled February talk on banking, budgeting, and savings from PNC Bank. We'll have 2 March talks with PNC Bank and 1 March talk with the University of North Texas Financial Readiness Team. And then we'll also have a Financial Literacy Festival on April the 1st. For our Financial Literacy Festival, we'll have a rotation of different financial literacy topics that students can attend. And then we will also have Small Business Showcase in our library for youth to display their businesses and learn financial literacy as well. Thank you so much for listening to our presentation.